Satisfy us each morning with your unfailing love, so we may sing for joy to the end of our lives. The Lord gives His people strength. The Lord blesses them with peace. O Lord, what a variety of things you have made. In wisdom you have made them all. The earth is full of your creatures. Earth Psalms is the first devotional from best-selling author Francine Rivers. In this weekly devotional, Francine invites you to join her in seeking the Creator through the marvelous world we live in. Stunning photography, scripture excerpts, applications, and prayer accompany Francine's reflections, inspiring you to be encouraged. God's power is immense. His attention to detail is precise. His love for you is vast and unfailing. The proof is all around you.